Hi, it's Friday, so let's chill and do something easy today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn Frontend and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Let's solve today kata titled Even Numbers in an Array. Given an array of digital numbers, return a new array of length number containing the last even numbers, so it's only even numbers, from the original array in the same order. Okay, the original array will be not empty and will contain at least number even numbers. Okay, let's try. So I have even numbers, and for this array, last three elements should be 4, 6, 8. Okay, let's start from the plain solution. Let's create an array that should contain only result numbers and then loop over all elements in this array starting from 0 until the end of the array length, then I++. And if current element I modulo 2 equals 0, so it's even, then result push this element and then return result, splice it for last element, so it result length minus number up to number. Let's try. Yeah, so that's correct. Let's optimize this solution. Let's use a map method. We have a result array, then instead of this for loop, I need map over elements of this array. So for current element, let's call it x. If x modulo 2 equals 0, then result push this current element. And that's all. And then return splice, and by the way, this length minus number and number we can replace using just minus number, because this equals to the original equation. We take only last n numbers. And let's try. Oh sure, I need to wrap this if using curly brackets. Let's try again. Good, I like it. Now we can refactor this solution, use only filter method and simply return that in one string. Okay, let's replace I don't need this and then don't need this, and I return array filter for elements that as reminder equals 0 and then simply slice them. Let's do that in one line, like that. Let's try. Yeah, so that's correct. And now we can refactor this solution using an arrow function. So for that I return like this. Let's try. Over all test cases. Yes, it works. I like it. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.